Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have a face-off between two treadmills that will take your fitness game to the next level. On the left, we have the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill, and on the right, the Yemsd walking pad treadmill. It's time to put these bad boys to the test and see which one will reign supreme. Let's kick things off with the price. The Goplus treadmill comes in at $299, while the Yemsd treadmill is a steal at $249. It looks like Yemsd is giving us some serious competition right from the start. But remember folks, it's not just about the price, we need to dig deeper. When it comes to design, both treadmills have their own unique features. The Goplus treadmill boasts a 2-in-1 folding design, allowing you to switch between jogging and running modes. Plus, it has a sturdy steel frame and a multi-layer shield design for a quieter and more comfortable experience. On the other hand, the Yemsd treadmill offers a slim and sleek design that can easily fit under your desk or bed. No assembly required, folks. Just unbox it and start walking, jogging, or running. It's perfect for those who want to save space without compromising their fitness routine. Now let's talk performance. The Goplus treadmill packs a powerful 2.25 HP motor, ensuring a smooth and quiet workout experience. With its non-slip running belt and multifunctional LED display, you can track your time, speed, distance, and calories burned in real time. And guess what? It even has a Bluetooth speaker and a phone holder, so you can groove to your favorite tunes or binge watch your favorite shows while burning those calories. But wait, the Yemsd treadmill isn't backing down either. It also features a powerful 2.25 HP motor with a capacity of up to 286 pounds. With its LED display and smart remote, you can easily adjust the speed or stop the machine without any hassle. And let's not forget the wide non-slip running belt and the 8 silicone shocks that provide excellent cushioning for your joints and muscles. Convenience is key, my friends. The Goplus treadmill is easy to move and store, thanks to its compact and foldable design. Plus, it comes with built-in transport wheels, making it a breeze to relocate. No need to worry about finding the perfect spot for your workout buddy. Meanwhile, the Yemsd treadmill takes convenience to the next level. It's installation-free, folks. Just take it out of the box and you're good to go. And when you're done, you can easily slide it under your sofa, bed, or even your desk. Talk about space saving. The Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the Yemsd walking pad treadmill have received positive reviews from customers. Reviewers praised the Goplus treadmill for its affordability and suitability for walking. On the other hand, the Yemsd treadmill is highly recommended for its sleek design, quiet operation, easy installation, and convenience. Both treadmills have their own strengths, so it ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. Alright, it's decision time. Both treadmills have their own strengths, but there can only be one winner. If you're looking for versatility and a high-tech experience, the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill might be your go-to choice. But if you value space saving and simplicity, the Yemsd walking pad treadmill won't disappoint. Remember folks, it's all about finding the treadmill that suits your needs and preferences. We hope this comparison helped you make a smarter decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome product comparisons. Stay fit, stay smart, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.